Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Pooja, and for the last 4 months, I have been documenting my workouts, my food, how I am feeling, and I have been consistent. And today, we are going to discuss the progress that we have seen in the last 4 months. Spoiler, the scale didn't move as much as you would like to think, but everything else shifted so much. Let's start with scale because that's what everyone wants to know about. So basically, I started this challenge with 83.9 kg, and on April 30th, I weighed 79.4. That's roughly 5 kg difference, but if I'm being honest, like I had a similar weight at March end as well. So this month there hasn't been a lot of change in the numbers this month, I can say. And honestly, I'm okay with that. I mean, I think I'm not to say that the number on a scale does not matter. It does, but I feel like that's just not the most interesting part of the story. If I compare my photos now from last month, I feel like there isn't much of a difference. They look pretty much the same. But if I have to compare overall, if I compare to the photos that I had taken before starting this challenge in January first week, I feel like that's just a different conversation. Like the difference is massive. I mean, the numbers don't do justice to the difference that I can see in photos. The way that I feel, I feel stronger, my clothes fit better. So, yeah. Now, this is where things get interesting. This month, I tried waking up at 6 a.m. on work days. It sounds interesting in theory, right? But that's not how it all went. Basically, I mean, it feels good. Like you have more time to work out, you have more time to have breakfast in peace, more time to move and, complete all your goals before work even starts. But it was a major fail. Not a major fail, but it was like half pass and half fail because I'll tell you why. So basically, I woke up at 6, but what I could not improve on was going to bed early in night. So I tried going to bed by 10 and sleep in some time, but that just did not happen. So I did get quality sleep. I did get around 6 hours of sleep every night, but yeah, I think I just didn't get enough sleep, and I could really see lack of sleep in my attitude, in my workouts, and in just life in general. I feel like just a good night's sleep, I think 7 to 8 hours is a good sleeping hours for me, and I feel like that just makes me feel so good. So I have learned this lesson that I have to sleep in order to just function. I just have to sleep a good amount. And also, I think I do want to keep up with my routine. I don't want to mess with it. So on days that I have to go to work, I think I would still stick to waking up at 6 a.m. But the days that I'm not commuting, I am sleeping that extra hour. Like my body really needs it. Let's talk about workouts. So I'm really really enjoying my workouts now. And I started, I think, at the start of this month I was doing Lily Sabri's 14 days program, and after that I started with Nourish Move Love's Strong 20, which is a 10-day, I mean, it is a 2-week workout program. Like there are 10 workouts, and so we can do it over a period of 2 weeks. We can take rest days as well. So I did that, but I'm now, my focus is to follow her entire program series and repeat it twice. Yeah, because I want to progressively build my strength. I like feeling, I mean, I think over the course of last 3 4 months I have started feeling stronger and, capable. I'm really enjoying that feeling. Like I'm looking forward to my workouts. And yeah, I got new weights as well. I only had weights up to 5 kg, but now I have a 7.5 kg dumbbell and a 10 kg dumbbell as well. And I've also started using them in deadlifts or the moves where I can lift heavier. So I don't know, I want to stick to this program series, and I want to see how much I can improve even further. So that's been going great. And on the days that I want to not lift weights, I stick to yoga sessions. And this month I did a few yoga sessions by Charlie Follows. And honestly, they're a lot more challenging than they sound, like I struggled with focus and stability, and I would just keep shaking. But that's the interesting part, I think I like that those yoga sessions, pushed me. Like, I really enjoyed them, and I want to keep doing that as well. Apart from this, I think apart from my workouts, apart from my yoga, I want to stick to doing 10K steps because the weather is getting unbearable. So I think 10K is good as it is. I don't want to walk anymore. I feel like I don't want to push any more than 10K. So that is fine. Apart from this, I think I did mention that I want to meditate, and I have been. I think I did meditate most days, but I am still struggling with that. That's a practice that's going to take some time. And I want to keep doing that. I don't think I saw a major improvement in that. I still am having trouble while focusing, while meditating, to just focus and just calm myself down. It does help me, but I do feel like there's a lot to improve in that area. So I'm going to do that. And also, I had decided that I wanted to improve my stand metric, where I stand every hour and walk for a few minutes. I do feel like it has improved as compared to the last month, but it was still not perfect, and that's okay. I feel like I really tried improving on that as well, and I feel like that's enough. That's good enough for me, and I just want to keep doing all of those things. Let's talk about food. Food wise, I think I've had a solid month. I think the only problem with food I have had in the past is that a lot of the times I don't feel like cooking, and then I would just start ordering food. So I feel like my idea was to just order less. Like, whatever I want to eat, I was like, okay, I just make it at home. So I think with cooking at home, I have done a pretty good job because I am cooking food almost every day. I am meal prepping, and I'm trying to keep things handy. Whatever I like, I always have it at home. And I feel like it has been working out great for me. I really do enjoy food, probably a little too much, but it has been going great. I really enjoy making food. I mean, whatever I cook, it's basic as hell, but still, I really do enjoy those meals. And I think food wise, I'm going to keep doing the same thing, to cook at home as much as I can, and to understand and listen to what my body needs, and feed my body accordingly. For supplements, I have kind of phased out some supplements. I think right now I'm only taking a few. So I'm taking vitamin D and B12 because my doctor asked me to. I was deficient. So that I'm doing protein powder. I usually do it in my yogurt bowls or smoothie now. So protein powder and creatine for workouts and just overall health in general. And apart from this, I think I'm also taking omega 3 because I don't really, the fish oil tablet, so I don't really cook fish at home. So I just feel like that is something that I might need additionally. So I am also taking that. But everything else I have phased out. I try supplements for a couple of months, but if I don't see any noticeable difference, it's like, also it just started feeling like a task because I would take it one day and then I would not take it the next day, and I feel like if I'm not going to take it regularly, then I feel like there's just no point. So I think I just want to focus on whole foods. I want to focus on listening to my body, what my body needs, and just carry on with these supplements that I mentioned right now for a while. And if I want to make any changes, I will let you know. Other than that, I think this has been a pretty good month. And we have reached the end of this video. So 4 months documented, 4 months of showing up even when I didn't feel like it. I feel like that's the real win. And here's what I'm expecting from fifth month, is to keep my sleep habit a little flexible. 6 a.m. on work days. On days I have to commute, and other days I want some extra rest. For workouts, I feel like whatever I'm doing is working, so I would like to keep doing that. And for meditation, I want to keep practicing it even if I'm not great at it, but I still want to keep doing that even if inconsistent. That's absolutely okay. For food, I want to keep it simple. I want to cook more, order less, and just try and listen to my body. For supplements, to keep it minimal, to just keep it simple and just keep it in routine. And what else? I think that's all. I think that's all that I had to share. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. And let's all just keep chasing strong.